Hindi ko na siya mababago for 10 years. Masarap ba yung turon dito? Oh, pang professional. Yung surprise attraction or landmark dito sa Singapore, which is ang Hi guys, this is Ikeey once again and welcome to another vlog.
Baba Bowie.
Today is my off day! Yay! And for this vlog, we will be going to St. John's Island! Yay! So, tara, samahan niyo ako.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'll be starting my journey here from Clementi, Singapore. Sasakay po ako ng Clementi MRT, which is a green line, going to City Hall. Then I'll be taking the red line, going down to Marina South Pier. So later, doon kami makikita ni Grace, yung friend ko, sa Marina South Pier Station. Let's go! So our route will be from Clementi to City Hall. Pwede pala tayong bumaba ng Raffles Place, guys. Tapos lilipat lang tayo ng red line going to Marina South Pier. So dito, bababa tayo. Okay, that's the train going to Marina South Pier. Ikaw na pala yan! This is Grace, my friend. Okay. So guys, pagkarating nyo ng Marina South Pier, exit B, then palabas dito sa escalator. So eto, paglabas, makikita nyo yung ito guys, dagat. Wood. Hi! Kamusta ka?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Maganda galak kitang makilala.
Ako rin. Wow, it's so nice.
Right there.
It's 1:57, so we made it. We still have like 3 minutes. And one of the passengers says it's okay to remove the mask. Because there's no coronavirus here.
Coronavirus!
So nice. They said that the travel times...
I don't know, yum!
Dapat naka-mask on pala tayo. They said that the travel time is around 30 minutes. So just for my viewers' info, how much is the ferry fare?
$15.
Is it two-way?
$12.
Wow! $12?
It's 15 for you, but we are child, so it's $12.
So it's $15 two-way. And now we're about to leave.
Here we go!
So makikita natin later ang beach. Oh, I think this is the island. We're heading towards that direction. It's gonna be a beach day. So ito na yung mga susunduin from St. John's Island pabalik ng Singapore. So pwedeng may way papunta dito sa left side or or dito. Sayang ang aking likas papaya. Hiking pala yung pinunta ko dito.
Sana all.
So this one is a marine aquaculture center. So maybe inside they're like breeding sharks and everything.
Sana all.
There's one more. St. John's Island National Marine Laboratory. From here, you can still see the CBD area, yung skyline ng Singapore. Oh. So bago pa pala tayo makapunta ng beach, kailangan maglakad from the pier papunta. Sundin lang yung pathway, which is around 10 minutes. 10 minutes walk.
Where did you cover your face?
A few inches later.
Wow! It's paradise! It's paradise!
Saan tayo mag-shake? Doon tayo sa may dulo. Oh my god, look at the white sand. It's so fine. Para talaga siya nasa Boracay. I'm so excited to swim. Kaso lang sobrang init at manginginim ako. We were able to settle here at one of the spots na may shade. So yung mga nagpa-plan na stay dito for like picnic or just deep sa sea, pwede kayo magdala ng food. Hindi, sexy.
There, I can reach that one na.
Dito na lang tayo. Ayaw ko dito sa ina. Hindi ko makikita yung food. Our 1.5 hours skinny dipping is over. We'll be heading to our shower para mag-freshen up na pabalik ng SG. Well, literally, I'm still in Singapore. Pabalik na ng main island. And tapos na kami mag-freshen up and we're just waiting for our flight.
Handlines.
Our flight for going to Singapore.
Light pala.
So our flight is at around 5:30.
Our Roro ferry. Kamapangka.
Dito muna kami sa may tabing dagat. Makain ng pili nuts. Ay, pistachio.
It's a social one, you know.
And Lays. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Babalik ka ba dito? Ikaw nag-enjoy ka?
Enjoy. And how can I not enjoy when I'm with one of the Philippines' most beautiful girls?
Wow! Is it me? And our day at St. John's Island and Lazarus Island is about to end. We're gonna board our ferry back to the main island, Singapore. Sana all.
Sana all. Bakit may dumi
And
dalawa
this
sa
one
labas?
will be our ferry boat back to the main end. Bye, St. John. Hello, MBS.
Parang Hong Kong siya, no?
And we're back sa main Singapore Island. So guys, this ends our day with Grace
Hey.
and Mr. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.